Myself Saili. I am an art and craft teacher. Today we are going to learn how to or newspaper craft. Today we are going to do newspaper craft. In that newspaper craft, we are going to do frame. You can give this frame as a gift to anyone, any relative or any friend. You can give in any occasion, like birthday party or wedding. You can give this. Okay. So today we are going to do best out of west. We are going to use newspaper only. So let's start. Student, here we have to make paper roll. You can use newspaper, old newspaper. Do it properly. Like this we have to do and paste it with Fevicol. Student, you have to make 8 paper roll, and you have to do or paint brown acrylic color, or you can use any poster color or any color whichever you have at your home. Here I am using brown color. Here our stick is ready with coloring. Now I am going to do take 3 cardboard sheets in same size. You can use old book cover also. If you don't have card sheet or mount board at your home, then you can use your old book cover also. Wrap this card sheet using newspaper, or you can, if you have white card sheet or colorful card sheet or colorful paper, tinted paper, then you can use this also. Add your idea, creativity. Stick it properly. You have to cover all these 3 sheets like this also. Paper covering is done. Now I am going to draw some design over here using black sketch pen. Then I am using, after that I am using black or any acrylic color. You can draw any design. I'm going to draw tree. Now first I am going to use brown color. Don't use more water. If you have chart paper at your home, then you can use this also, chart paper or tinted paper. Try to do more creative. Add your ideas, creativity. Decorate with using your ideas. You can give emboss effect also using Fevicol. Here I am drawing some leaves. Student, I am going to draw some flowers here. You can do printing with earbud. Like this. Draw bird also. You can draw any, add your ideas, creativity. Now we are going to apply Fevicol like this. We have and paste this stick properly. paste it properly. In this way we have to decorate this. We have to paste this border. Add your idea, creativity, and do more creative. You can draw another drawing. You can use whichever color you have at your home. You can use. Okay? Student, when I upload this video on YouTube, you have to give comment. You have to give attendance over there. But in comment, mention your standard and division also. Write your full name and mail me your craft scan copy in JPG format to my mail ID. My mail ID is pisjc567art@gmail.com. I repeat, pisjc567art@gmail.com. Don't forget to send me on my mail ID. Okay? Bye.